Welcome to Sadhana's Basket. Like, share and subscribe to get more than 200 recipes. We will make spicy peas in 5 minutes. Take fresh green peas. Peel and clean the peas. Heat a little mustard oil in a pan. Cumin seeds. Add peas and sauté. One teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt as per taste. All measures are 1 teaspoon. Stir and cook. Cover and cook. Remove cover and stir. Add a little water. Stir and keep cooking with cover. Cook till the peas are properly done. Cumin powder. Red chili powder. Chili flakes. Chaat masala. Black rock salt. Mix and cook. Grated ginger. Cook further. Peas masala is ready. Add cut green coriander leaves. Serve tasty peas masala. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.